In 1914, Ford produced 308,162 cars, more than any other automakers combined. It was also in 1914 that the Model T, in the interest of streamlining production, was no longer available in red, blue, green, or grey. It was now available in any color so long as it is black. Placing fruit in a paper bag helps to concentrate the levels of ethylene gas, which is what helps induce the ripening of the above-mentioned fruits. In fact, avocados and pears must be picked in order to ripen. The origin of the phrase, mad as a hatter, is believed is that hatters really do go mad. The chemicals used in hat making include mercurous nitrate, used in curing felt. Prolonged exposure to the mercury vapors cause mercury poisoning. Active volcanoes are rare in Australia because there are no plate boundaries on this continent. However, there are two active volcanoes located 4,000 kilometers southwest of Perth on the Australian territories, Heard Island and the nearby McDonald Islands. At various times in history, the White House has been known as President's Palace, the President's House, and the Executive Mansion. President Theodore Roosevelt officially gave the White House its current name in 1901. The solstice heralds the beginning of summer in the Northern Hemisphere. In 2014, the solstice falls on June 21 at 6:51 AM EDT. The timing of the solstice depends on when the sun reaches its farthest point, north of the equator. Today's largest carnivorous land mammals, including the record-setting polar bears, which usually weigh around half a ton, but can grow to weigh nearly a ton, are threatened in part because of the energy intake and expenditure equation. On this day, in 1893, President Grover Cleveland's wife, Frances, became the first First Lady to give birth in the White House. When the couple's daughter Esther was born, she remains the only child of a president to be born in the White House. The first chemical element with the lowest density is hydrogen, and the highest density is osmium. Helen Adams Keller was born on June 27, 1880, in Tuscumbia, Alabama. In 1982, she fell ill and was struck blind, deaf, and mute. Beginning in 1887, Keller's teacher, Anne Sullivan, helped her make tremendous progress with her ability to communicate, and Keller went on to college, graduating in 1904. Hope you enjoyed that one, guys. Give us a like and a comment. Subbing doesn't hurt either. And I'm gonna go, I don't know, fucking jump off the car roof. I don't know.